will be built for public.
Welcome back. When Soludo was campaigning to be the governor of Anambra State, he promised that he will make the state of Anambra a beauty to behold, a livable and a prosperous homeland for our people who are basically travelers, who has become like visitors in many places without a proper homeland. And the people were very excited and they were wondering how he would do that. So, but what I'm just seeing, it seems that he wants to do that. And what he's about to do is what I'm going to play you again for you to listen. For ndị be anyị ada anụ ntị. Ndị be anyị ada eji ntị. So, before we do these things, please promise me that you are going to share this. Promise me that you are going to be passionate for our homeland. Promise me that ị ga-enye aka idozi ana Igbo, idozi Anambra State, na ebe dị iche iche ọnụkụ niile, okirikiri ana Igbo niile, ka anyị mee ana Igbo, ka anyị tinye ana Igbo mmọnwụ. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share and subscribe. So let's listen to him once more. And when we come back, we will do justice to this. Because ihe nke atọgbugom. Ihe nke atọgbugom. Ka anyị gee ya ntị. Stay tuned.
That is illegal on the master plan of this Transnkisionitsha bulldozer area. We are going to recover all public lands. We are going to take back our lands, and those places will be built for public. No, to build up every where public places, every where schools, every where open space. There's no place to come out and relax. It should not be the quarter of Transnkisionitsha. Any place that is illegal on the master plan of this Transnkisionitsha bulldozer area. We are going to recover all public lands. We are going to take back our lands, and those places will be built for public. No, to build up every where public places, every where schools, every where open space. There's no place to come out and relax. It should not be the quarter of Transnkisionitsha.
Welcome back. You have heard from the horse's mouth. Our people are very, very stubborn. And for us to be livable, to have a livable and a prosperous homeland, a final destination, not a departure launch, something must give way. There is no way we'll be creating ghettos all over the place, creating concrete all over, without simple vegetation, no recreation space, no playground for the people, no space to build hospitals, schools, or even or areas left for planting, little planting, agriculture, backyard gardens, and all those things. Look at what happened in Awada. Look at what happened in Ugwaba. Everywhere was virtually taken. Building 4-story, 5-story, creating an urban prison, urban asylum, where the children that are living in those places doesn't have a place, they don't have a playground. They don't have a place to just go and, exercise their muscle. There is no stadium, there is no football pitches, there's no recreation area, there is no even space to build a proper shopping arena for the people living there. No place to do their exercise, no place to have like a backyard garden, green spaces, no. There's no place to actually hold some of these flood waters, creating artificial lakes, which can help to absorb the heat. There's nothing like that. Everywhere is sold out. Ndị nke a si ebe a, ndị nke esi ebe a. Ana-ele ana. So when you go to Ugwagba, a whole place that have Ugwagba Obosi and Ubolo, they have a massive area, all sold out. No room for a general proper market for general goods. Nothing. No room for hospital. There is no hospital there. The one you see, those are private hospitals without not much space. Some of them are churches. Everywhere is either they build churches everywhere. Everywhere is down, building church, building this, building. How about the people living there? Can they not have a space, a place? Those little children growing, it's like they are growing in prison, an urban prison, an urban asylum. So what is the impact on those children growing? You know, in that place, I was talking to somebody, say, oh, to get a public school, they have to travel into inland town, Onitsha, because there's not much there. There's no